Oh, don't mind me, I'm just enjoying my coffee here, which is actually an incredible segue to the thing that we're going to talk about today. This coffee is not the coffee that we're going to talk about today. No, we're going to talk about the platform, which goes by the same name, also Ko-fi. Oh, and by the way, there is actually coffee in here. Not sure if you can see that. I don't know, people always wonder if you drink coffee on stream or on videos, if it actually is real coffee. This totally is. I just made it myself, fresh, with a lot of milk, just the way I like it. Also, before we go further into this video, I want to quickly tell you guys that if you want to support my channel, you can always do that by leaving a thumbs up on this video, subscribing to the channel, and of course ringing the bell so you know whenever a new video goes live on the channel. Now, of course, I've been doing my quick stream tip videos for a while now. Now, my goals with these videos has always been to teach you guys something new or maybe something that you didn't know just yet in a quick and easy to understand way. Now, with some of these videos, especially my later ones, I also offer a download that you can get for free so you can actually implement these things that I show you yourself on your own stream. For instance, my latest video, my PlayStation Trophy Earned tutorial, I actually got a full download package with all the images and all the files that you needed to get going. However, if you wanted to set it up in LIORANBOARD yourself and in OBS, you needed to follow the video precisely because I'm showing you exactly what steps you need to take. Now, of course, if you follow the video along, it's pretty simple and you can make it yourself as well. However, I got a few comments on this video and earlier videos as well by people asking if I could make it even easier for them to implement my tutorials and to implement these effects into their own streams. And I've been thinking about that and I've been working on that a little bit behind the scenes. And I think I found a way to do that. Now, back to the beginning again, you're probably wondering, what does that have to do with coffee and Ko-fi and all these kind of things? Now, like I said before, now you could download my files over on my Discord, but you can also download them on my website. On my blog, I post everything that I make over there as well. And I feel that this is not really a streamlined process because some people might get it from my blog, others might get it from my Discord, and then you need to get support from my Discord, and you don't get it on my blog. It's not really the most streamlined way to get my files. So that, combined with the fact that I've wanted to make an easier way for people to actually implement these effects into their own streams, kind of led me to the platform that is known as Ko-fi. Now, I've launched this platform today. It's live right now. And I'm super happy and super excited with this. And I'm hoping that this is going to allow me to bring you more quality assets that you can download and are easier to install and even easier for you guys to use. But it's also going to be another way for you guys to support me in my content creation endeavors. If you like what I'm doing or you like the assets that I create, you can use Ko-fi to actually buy me a coffee. That's what they call it. Basically, you're donating directly to me. Ko-fi doesn't take any cut from your donation. So if you like what you see and if you like my content, that's a very easy and very good way for you to support me in that. Now, of course, some of you might be thinking like, wait, is that going to mean that we're going to have to pay for your assets? No. All my videos, all my assets, and everything that I've made so far and everything that I'm going to make in the future will always be free. However, if you like what you see and if you like the things that I put out, like my PlayStation Trophy or any of the other effects that I'm going to put up on the site in the future, you can always decide to support me by downloading or buying them. However, if you can't or you don't want to support me with any money, that's all good. You'd never, ever, ever have to. You can just download the files for free and you get the exact same files as everyone else. So like I said, my Ko-fi site is live now. The first thing that you can download from there is my PlayStation Trophy Earned effect that is going to be installed in LIORANBOARD that I showed you already in my previous video. But I do want to take a quick moment in this video as well to let you see how you can actually use that, how you can download that, and how you can install it on your own streams. There will be more effects in the future. I've actually got one ready to go that I just need to make a video on. So that's going to be launched hopefully soon on there as well. And in the future, I also want to use that platform to maybe show you guys some behind the scenes things or some things that you haven't seen before, some old stream designs, stuff like that. But again, that's all going to be something for in the future once I figure out how I'm going to be using this platform from now on. Now, of course, that also doesn't mean that I'm not going to be using any of my other platforms. It's just going to be something that is on top of the things that I already do. So I'm pretty sure some of you are wondering, okay, where can I find this? How do I download this PlayStation thing? And how does it all work? Let me show you. So first of all, we're going to go to ko-fi.com/MrJordilicious and be sure to write Ko-fi with a dash in the middle. And then you will see my page over here. Like I said, it's not fully set up yet, but most of the things are working. But of course, I think the thing that most people are going to be here for is my shop. So you can click on the shop button over there, and there you can see my PlayStation Trophy effect ready to go. And as you can see, it's free plus, which means that you don't have to pay anything for this. So you can find the description here. You can see what it works. You know, you can see the video that I made on that earlier as well. But then once you want to get it, you can just type in any number here that you want. So I'm just going to type in 0 for now and then just click get now. You will see your card here. Again, it's free, so you don't have to pay anything. Check out now. And then you will be taken to a full download where you can get the download file, and everything that you need is going to be in here as well. And once you download that, you're going to extract the zip file that you get, and you're going to do that in a new folder in the LIORANBOARD folder. So let me show you exactly where to do that as well. So once you've downloaded everything, you got a zip file that you need to extract. So first go to your LIORANBOARD folder, then select your receiver PC folder, go to the extension folder, and there you can extract your file, and you will see I've already done it here, but you will extract your file over there. Once you've done that, you will see that you've got a couple of files in there. You got the README file, which is of course very important. Always check that out because it shows you what you need to have. All the requirements are still the same. You still need to have the WebSockets plugin on OBS. You need to have the Move Transitions plugin on OBS. And of course, LIORANBOARDs needs to be fully updated. And you need to have the Get Profile Picture extension there as well. Everything will be in the README file as well as in the description of this video, so you know where you can find everything. Now, everything else is in there as well, but we don't need that for now. The one thing that we need is we're gonna lower that. You see, I got OBS right here with an empty scene. It's all ready to go. We're gonna open up LIORANBOARD right there. You see that everything is connected, so that's very important. Make sure that everything in LIORANBOARD is connected as well. And then what you want to do is you want to click the Install Extension button over there. We're going to select an extension. It's going to bring up this window, of course. We're going to go to the extension folder that we just saw, the trophy earned folder, and then we're going to click on the .lbe file. We're going to open that, and then you see some things happening. The deck is being added. You see the scenes are being created. Then we get this message telling us that we need to move all these things in this folder. So let's do that very quickly and simply over there. Click OK. It's going to do some more things in the background. And then after a few seconds, we should get the message that everything is installed and ready to go. You saw some moves in the background there as well. And this says us that everything is installed and we are good to go. Now, sometimes it might happen that you won't see this move happen automatically. Sometimes, for whatever reason, it doesn't really happen. So what you need to do, if that is the case, if you still see your trophy appeared on this screen, just right click on it, select filters, and then you see these two filters here. Just press this one, enable that, and then enable that one again. And then everything should be good to go. But as you can see, it's all set up. This, of course, is a placeholder for the profile picture. This is a placeholder for the text. The only thing that you need to do is you need to go into your Twitch. You need to create a new channel point redemption where people can actually redeem this. Make sure that it's named Trophy Earned and that you require people to enter text. Again, everything is explained very thoroughly in the README file as well, so you can always check that. But basically, that is it. Everything is set up. You're good to go. One thing that you might want to do, that I always like to do, is actually enable the trophy sound. Click on the cogwheel here and then go to the advanced properties. And then make sure that under audio monitoring, you actually set up it to monitor and output so that whenever you are streaming, you will actually hear the effect yourself as well. Especially if you have multiple monitors, you're not always watching your OBS, so you don't always see when people redeem this effect. This way, you actually get a audible note when people actually do that. But that's it. It's all installed. It's in LIORANBOARD. We got a new deck over here with everything in it. As you can see, this is the full effect. The Twitch trigger is linked. Everything is done and it should be working the way that it is. And that's it. That's how easy it is to install these new effects that you can download on my Ko-fi website. And like I said before, the PlayStation Earned effect is the first one that you can download for free on my Ko-fi store, but there will be many more effects like this in the future. Again, I've already got one in the works, so maybe by the time you're watching this video, it's already up there, or it might be coming very soon indeed. Now, as always, if you like what you see and if you like this trophy effect and you want to see it yourself in action before downloading it, or maybe you even want to give me my own trophies. I always love getting trophies and achievements on stream. I stream on Twitch every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so please don't feel shy to drop on by and say hi, because I always love interacting with all of you. Also, those were 3 rhymes in 1 sentence. Wow. Other than that, if you have any questions about this installer or you need any more support, you can always go to my Discord. There's a special quick stream tips help channel where I will be more than happy to help you with any questions that you may have. Or you can always contact me on Twitter as well, and I will do my best to assist you in any way that I can. For now though, I just wanted to say again, thank you to everyone who has supported me on my content creation journey thus far. I really appreciate every support that I get, whether it is in the form of lurking or chatting or any other support that people give me. I massively appreciate it, and you don't know how much it means to me. Honestly, it's really heartwarming to see what people sometimes, how people sometimes support me. So thank you so much for that. I really appreciate it. And here's hoping to many more amazing adventures on this new platform for all of us in the future. For now though, the last thing that I want to say is that my name is MrJordilicious. You are all extremely delicious as well. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my coffee. Hopefully it's not cold yet, but hopefully I will see you again also in the next video. Take care. I love your faces and happy streaming. Oh, that is just my date. I had a very wicked night. That's my date. So don't worry about him. He was just, you know, he was so impressed with what I was packing, you know? So that's why he's passed out on the floor. He was like, whoa! I've never seen equipment that big.